Hi all. Till now we have discussed about what price is, what role does it play, and what are pricing objectives. Now we will now move on to the determinants of price, or which factors we look into for setting our price. The first determinant is cost. Every firm wishes to at least cover its cost. Total cost is aggregate of fixed and variable cost. Fixed cost is the cost that you incur irrespective of the output. It does not change with the change in the output. For example, the rent of the factory or building you pay is your fixed cost. Variable cost, on the other hand, is the cost that changes with the change in the output. For example, wages of workers. The company assesses the total cost by adding up the fixed and the variable cost, and then adds a percentage of profit it wants to earn for reaching at the final price. For example, the cost of your product is 20 shillings per unit and fixed cost is 30 shilling per unit. You want to earn a 20% markup, so you'll add 20% of 50 shilling in the cost to reach at the final price. The second determinant is demand. Demand affects our price in a huge way. The laws of supply and demand should always come into play when setting your pricing. If a product is in high demand, particularly if demand exceeds supply, then the market can bear a higher price. Conversely, if demand dwindles, consumers will not be willing to pay higher prices. Your pricing should remain relatively stable over time, but you can put promotions in place to discount the price when needed. This determinant is used as a base to a great extent in the smartphone market, where as the demand drops, the price also drops. The third and a significant determinant is competition. In a highly competitive and price-sensitive market, a firm may use competition as the basis for setting the prices. For example, Coke and Pepsi. As we discussed earlier, so the company will either set the price that is already prevailing in the market, i.e., same as competitors, known as going rate pricing, or what they think that their competitors will change, known as sealed bid pricing. The last determinant in the pricing strategy is the break-even point. It is the point where total cost is equal to total revenue. Therefore, at this point, the firm is neither earning any profit nor incurring any loss. So in order to earn a profit, a firm tries to look at its break-even because the firm will not be earning anything at this point. This analysis helps the firm to set a price that will ensure that its revenue moves ahead of the break-even into profit zone. With this, we come to the end of this video lecture. I hope you now understand various determinants affecting the price. Thank you.